on your shoes, come along! We're going to the playground.
Let's sing the playground song.
We walk down the street with a smile, smile, smile.
Walk into the park for a while.
I see the green grass and the gate open wide.
Let's run to the fun inside.
Climb up the ladder.
1, 2, 3.
Look at the world from up high with me.
Sit down tight, now get ready to go.
Slide down fast to the ground below.
At the playground, we play all day. At the playground
is where we say hooray.
Up and down, spinning round and round.
Happiest place in the whole
wide town.
Sit on the swing, hold the chains real tight.
Kick your legs out with all your might.
We fly up high,
way up into the sky.
we swing back down,
Whee! To say hi. Ride the seesaw, go up and down. Up we go and down we bounce.
taking turns with all our friends.
The fun just never ends. At the playground, we play all day. At the playground
Is where we say hooray.
up and down, spinning round and round.
Happiest place in the
Whole wide town.
monkey bars across the way.
Climbing carefully today.
One hand, two hands,
Nice and slow, across the bars we go.
round and round the merry-go-round.
Spinning all around.
Hold on tight and laugh with glee.
What a fun place to be. At the playground, we play all day. At the playground
Is where we say hooray.
up and down, spinning round and round.
Happiest place in the whole wide town.
The sun is getting low.
Wave goodbye, it's time to go.
Bye bye slide.
Bye bye swing.
We will come again to play and sing.